Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Greenfield local and long-distance movers near me. Moving short distances may appear easy, but it isn't. It's pretty similar to long distance and takes lots of planning and effort. In the long run, you might cause extensive damage to your properties. Greenfield Long Distance 3 are more than capable of handling your relocation to any state or country. With our numerous partners in over 195 plus countries, you can be rest assured that we have the network and resources to facilitate your long-distance move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Greenfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.